The dress code says casual, but between me and you, we know there is this one lady in the room that looks better than everybody else. You may wonder, why is her version of casual different from everyone else's? What could she have done differently? It is all in the details. Now, this is what fashion girlies and fashion gurus know, and this is what they put in place to enable them come out beautiful, come out sophisticated, come out looking better than everybody else. And in today's video, I'm going to share some of those details with us so that whenever you put pieces together and you step out, you are going to be looking your best. Hello, welcome back to the channel. I shall be starting off with proportions. Proportions are very important in getting dressed. They add the visual interest that we look out for. You can see in these two clips that I have on a very simple turtleneck top and a very simple tailored pants. But you can see that in the first clip, where the natural hem of the top stops is way below my waistline. And that is not visually pleasing at all. As you can see, I have one color running from top to bottom. There is no interest anywhere. There is no diversion anywhere. But in the second clip, you can see that I have belted it. I have tucked it in. I keep saying it, I don't know. Tucking in is a way to elevate your outfit. It is a way to elevate your look. Whether you do a side tuck, a full tuck, a half tuck, whatever you do, it is going to be evident in your outfit because it will be at your natural waistline or above the waist or below your waistline. But whenever you add a belt, it is going to be evident in your outfit. And also, if it has a beautiful hardware on it, it is going to also come with its own form of interest to your outfit. And you can see the difference between the belted look and the plain look. Another way that you can experiment with proportions, you can juxtapose. Yes, you can do feminine and masculine. You can wear something that is high with something that is low, wear something maxi with something that is more fitted. I have paired the same pants with a very oversized shirt, but for some reason the look is cohesive. I have done a front mini tuck with this look. The outfit is still looking more put together than when it is just bland. You know, they are fitted, there is no interest by shape at all. So this is one way to elevate your outfit. Play with proportions. Another thing that you can do is to experiment with your textures. This turtleneck and this pant, they are of the same texture, and you can see that it is looking rather flat. You can mix and match. You can do something like a silk pants with a cotton top. You can do like a knit material and denim material. You can do corduroy and a silk. They are interesting to the eyes. They are interesting to see. If they look at the top part and they see another shiny, flowy material, they look down, they are seeing denim, something stiff, something, you know, more form-fitting. Of course, this is going to look more, you know, thought through. In this case, I have swapped out the pants. I added one with a little bit of shine. You can find that the one where I have two textures and one where I have one texture running from top to bottom, we can see and appreciate the difference. Another very important tip would be to layer. I am going to make a whole video on layering. Layering is very, very, very important. I have layered this look by just adding a cardigan on the Assam, and you can see that it is looking better. I haven't worn it, I just tied it on my shoulders, and you can already see the difference now. Sometimes when you carry this extra clothing, it can help for when the weather it gets colder. You can now actually put this on and you know you are still fit to be outside. Layering is something else that I adore when it comes to dressing up. If you have been on this channel, you have heard accessories over and over and over again, because I don't think you can do dressing without accessories. No, you just can't. You put on your clothes, the next thing you're thinking of is how to accessorize. Because come on, what is your outfit without accessories? You can see the difference in these two looks. One I have accessorized, and the other again is still looking very, very plain. Accessories are not negotiable. You must accessorize if you want to add something to that outfit. You can just add a simple belt that cinches in your waistline, or you can wear your favorite pair of earrings that frames your face very nicely. All of them working together, there is this uniqueness it gives you. There is this uniform look it gives you, like you're not lacking anywhere. Your earrings are in place, necklace, check, handbag, beautiful, coordinating with the colors you already have going on in your outfits. Now, who doesn't want that? Another thing I am going to talk about today are prints. Prints are very important in your outfit. You know, sometimes you want to go bold, you want to go colorful. Other times you want to go neutral, you want to tone it down. Now, because we are starting with the very basics of elevation today, the very basics of thoughtfulness in your outfit, I am going to recommend that you start with solid colors and classic prints. By classic prints, I mean polka dots, stripes, and animal prints. Yes, if you get a print, you pick one color from the print and replicate in your top half or in your bottom half. If you do not know how to clash prints yet, this is a very good way to start. That is one thing I always do. So you bring a print that is very busy, that has almost every color running on it. Just pick one of those colors and replicate it in your top half or in your bottom half or anywhere else in your outfit. They are going to work together, as opposed to when you have two contrasting prints on both pieces and you wear them, they can be very overpowering and you can very quickly look disorganized. So you may not want to do that if you have not been experimenting with prints, that is. But if you are a print girl, you can go ahead and clash print. You are welcome to do that. But this is one way to get started. And we can see in this outfit, I am going to switch things up. I have taken this animal prints, and again, I have picked one color from it and I'm wearing it as the top. Sometimes our accessories, they match with the prints. If you have squares and geometric shapes running on your prints and somehow you just have those shapes again for your accessories, you can wear these accessories to match with these prints that are on your fabrics. It is going to look as though you bought them together, as though they came together, but they didn't. You know, it's just a lucky find. It is called elevation, but I call it attentiveness. I call it paying attention to details, going the extra mile. These tips are what is going to take your very simple looks, and add a little bit of sophistication to them. It is going to, add a little bit of oomph to your outfit. It will take your look from, you look okay, to, do you mean the lady with XYZ? Because they are going to remember you. Now, why is elevation very important? How we look matter, and I'm sure you don't want to look like the next person. You don't want to look as though you didn't try or you didn't even want to be there. Whenever I am stepping out, I make an effort. Of course, when I'm running errands, I tone it down. But when I'm going to somewhere that I know is important, or somewhere I'm going to have fun or something, I make sure to look my best. I make sure to put the effort, because I feel good when I look good. It boosts my mood. It enhances my interaction with others. I want to do my own thing. I want to express myself in my own way. I don't want to step out looking like the next person. I don't want to blend in. I want to stand out. If you can, elevate your outfit. Do these little tips here and there, and you will appreciate it. You would see that the compliments are going to get better. They're like, ooh, you look so good. You look so good. But you're wearing very basic things, but only you know what you have done. So you don't always need to buy things. You just have to repurpose what you already have, reimagine them, and play around with pieces, pair things together. You will be amazed what you find. And that is all I have for us today on the tips on how to elevate your outfits. I am going to bring some more sophisticated tips for us in the future. But if you are starting out dressing up and you want to know what fashion girls do, You can start out with some of the tips that I have shared with us today, and let me know how they go for you in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. If you got value, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you like my style or if you want to see me again. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Eva and this channel is on fashion. Have a good day now. Bye.